Mga kabahay, ready na ba kayo this 2026 for your real estate journey? I'm Agent G from MFR Real Estate Corporation, and today I'm in Mira Valley at Habila Township in Antipolo City. So tara mga kabahay, let's begin our walk tour here in Mira Valley. So yung mga kabahay, ito po yung aming unit for viewing here in Mira Valley. So yung mga kabahay, nasa loob na tayo. So pagpasok, dito po bali ang ating dining area. Ito naman po yung magiging living area natin. And nandito yung kitchen. And nandito ang CR sa ground floor. Sa likod naman po, ito po yung pinaka-service area natin. And hindi ko napapakita pero nasa likod po yung maid's room ng bahay. So yan mga kabahay, nakita niyo na yung ground floor. Puntahan natin yung second floor. Tara po. This is the master's bedroom mga kabahay. And now, puntahan natin yung bedroom 2. And ito naman yung third bedroom. So yan mga kabahay, nakita nyo na yung aming RFO unit na for viewing. Now naman, puntahan natin yung aming available unit na RFO here in Mira Valley. And daw mga kabahay, puntahan natin yung available na residential lot here in Mira Valley. And ang ipapakita ko ay isa sa mga prime lot. Tara, puntahan natin, nasa Block 5. So mga kabahay, this is Block 5. And yung available is located in Block 5, Lot 4 and Lot 5. So ito po yun. So yung lot area nito is 150 square meter. And yung available na isa is yung katabi lamang po. And now mga kabahay, puntahan natin yung amenity area na Mira Valley na under construction right now. Tara po. Mga kabahay, dyan nagtatapos ang ating vlog for today. I'm Agent J from MFR Real Estate Corporation. And kung interested ka sa Mira Valley and naghahanap ka ng house and lot and residential lot here in Antipolo or in Havila in general, please contact me on my CP number at 0929-705-6363.